Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pork barbecue. First, select a high-quality pork shoulder, often called a Boston butt, ideally weighing between 5 and 10 pounds. This cut is perfect for slow cooking, ensuring tender, juicy results. Next, trim any large pieces of hard fat, leaving about 1/4 inch of fat cap on the meat. This thin layer will render down, adding incredible flavor and keeping the pork moist throughout the long cooking process. Finally, pat the pork completely dry. Now, let's create a fantastic dry rub. Mix 2 tablespoons each of paprika, brown sugar, and salt. Then, add 1 tablespoon each of black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. This blend provides a perfect balance of sweet, savory, and smoky notes. Apply the rub generously, ensuring every surface of the pork is well covered. For best results, let the seasoned pork rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight for up to 12 hours, allowing the flavors to penetrate deeply. The key to amazing pork barbecue is cooking it low and slow. Preheat your smoker or oven to a steady 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pork shoulder directly on the grates, fat side up, which helps baste the meat as it cooks. Plan for about 1.5 to 2 hours of cooking time per pound. The pork is ready when its internal temperature reaches around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's incredibly tender and easy to shred. Patience is truly a virtue here. Once cooked, remove the pork from the heat and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the meat moist. Then, using 2 forks, easily shred the incredibly tender pork into delicious, bite-sized pieces. You can mix it with some of its natural juices or your favorite barbecue sauce. Serve your homemade pulled pork on soft buns, alongside creamy coleslaw, or simply enjoy it as a flavorful main dish. Enjoy your hard work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.